What is a cold welder? What does the cold welder do? What are the functions? How is it different from a normal welding machine? First of all, let us talk about what a cold welding machine is literally understandable. This is a device that does not produce high temperature during the welding process. That is, does not generate heat, and does not deform when operating at room temperature. So what did he fix? There are many defects that can be repaired, such as cast iron, cast steel, steel and aluminum. What are the functions of our cold welding machine? It can solve the sand holes, unevenness, corner defect in the cavity, and so on the surface of these casting defects. What is the difference between our cold welding machine and ordinary welding machine? Ordinary welding machine is a kind of equipment that appeared earlier than cold welding machine. Its characteristics are high current density, heat concentration, high deposition rate and fast welding speed. It is very inappropriate for products with high precision. Not only does the repair of the workpiece fail, but even damages the workpiece if it is serious, making the workpiece scrap back to the furnace, causing heavy losses to the enterprise and greatly increasing the cost. Moreover, the cold welding machine can be said to be a kind of high precision repair and intelligent operation cold welding machine generally recognized by customers. The firmness of the surfacing layer of the workpiece repair can be satisfied, and the hardness can reach the result expected by the customer. Different repair schemes can be given according to different defect of customers. The most important thing is that these repairs will not affect the original reference surface of the workpiece, and there will be no traces after the repair. Professional technicians tell you what are the advantages of cold welding machines. 1. Casting defect repair cold welding machine is easy to carry. Lightweight 28 kg to 20V power supply, no working environment requirements. 2. Reasonable design and free adjustment. Different discharge frequencies can be selected according to different metal materials to achieve the best repair effect. 3. The hardness of the surfacing layer, and the diversity of supplementary materials, the use of different electrode rod materials, fillers, and obtain different required hardness. The hardness of the surfacing repair layer can range from HRC to 5 to HRC 6.2. Host control system. UPS improved built an industrial control microcomputer for double closed loop precision control. Its stability and operation ability are far superior to similar products, and it adopts intelligent IC control board. 4. Minimal welding repair impact. This welding machine overcomes the impact of ordinary argon arc welding on the periphery of the workpiece during welding repair. It is also possible to repair the machine surface of the workpiece without margin. 5. High repair accuracy. The thickness of the surfacing welding is from a few microns to a few millimeters, and only needs to be polished and polished. 6. High welding strength. Due to the full penetration of the material on the surface of the workpiece, a strong bonding force is produced. 7. The heat affected area is small. There is no heat input during the instant of cladding, so there is no deformation, undercut, and residual stress. No partial annealing will occur, and no need to reheat treatment after repair. 8. One machine with multiple functions. It can carry out surfacing welding, surface strengthening, and other functions. By adjusting the discharge power and frequency, the required surfacing and strengthened thickness finish can be obtained. 9. Economical. Repair immediately on site to improve production efficiency and save costs. The cold welder is a technology that uses a large current pulse to flow through the joint surface of the workpiece and repair the casting in an instant, so that it is quickly melted and combined. Because it generates very little heat during welding, the base part and the material near the welding point are kept at room temperature, and the base material will not be thermally deformed, so it is called a cold welder. The characteristics of argon arc welding are as follows. 1. The heat-affected zone of argon arc welding is large, the current density is high, the deposition rate is high, and the welding speed is fast. Due to the strong arc in the large smoke, safety protection must be strengthened. 2. After repairing the workpiece, it will often cause deformation, decrease in hardness, partial annealing, insufficient bonding, and internal stress damage, especially in the repair process of small defect in precision castings. The surface is prominent.